You're not gonna put on your glasses, Risey?
No. And I'll wear them.
Matthew. It's not very, that's not very good for your eyes, buddy.
No, Matt, don't do it, please, honey.
I have to see
No,
it.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
I see that. I see that.
Risey, do you want a cheese stick?
Me too. Me too. Me too. Can I open mine by myself? Thank you. Michelle.
Shelf.
Oh.
It's hot. I know, since no one ate anything. Just wait. Oh, Risey, you have to take your medicine also.
Why?
Why? Because you still have to do the doctor.
Come over here and eat them.
Go over there. Go with Daddy. Go show them your cheese stick.
Want me to help you with your cheese stick?
Cheers. No, but I can't do cheers. I'm not doing yellow deal. Almost. I'm just opening my butter. I'm butter today. Watch.
Butter?
Cheers. Cheers.
Can I help you with that?
Cheers. What do you have there?
Hockey.
What do you have there?
Hockey duck.
Hockey stick?
Yeah.
Is that what you have?
Honey, help me, please. Mama, do it. Quick.
Yeah.
Matthew, what do you have there?
Hockey stick.
A hockey stick?
Hockey stick.
Okay, take the medicine.
Hockey stick. Hockey stick.
Okay, take it. Please don't spill it.
Does it taste yummy? Taste it. Wow.
Right, Risey. Let's just
What else do you
take
have for
the
dinner?
medicine, then you can run. Okay, just finish it. Finish it first.
Matthew, what else is for dinner?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Ooh, what a lucky guy.
I have a hockey stick. Hockey stick.
Hockey stick?
Risey,
Mommy,
you can't run with the medicine. It's going to smell, okay? So take some sips.
Did I stick a little?
You go. Yeah, okay, I'll let you do it, but don't run, please. Okay, another sip.
Here.
Cheese stick and medicine must be delicious.
Hockey stick. I'm a hockey stick. Hockey stick. Okay, I hold it. The hand you draw with is this one. Matthew.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Finish it up, and you can play.
I'm going to go play. Go.
Good.
Yay!
You did a great job.